Hi guys, I'm Duki Islumbab and our report is solid mensuration and my topic is sphere, zone, spherical segment, spherical sector, spherical pyramid and spherical wedge. And let's start for sphere. So sphere. Sphere is a solid bounded by a closed surface, every point of which is equidistant from a fixed point called center. So, ang formula sa pagkuha sa volume of sphere kay mo ni siya 4/3 pi times r cube. Ang r is ang radius. So, pagkuha sa surface area of sphere, it equals 4 pi r cube. So, for example, find the volume of the sphere that has a radius of 8 inch. So, solution, ato siya i-draw sa, so, natay radius nga 8 inch. So, ang formula para makuha ang volume kay V equals 4/3 times pi times radius cube. So, 4/3 times pi times 8 inch cube is equal 4/3 pi is times 512 inch cube. So using calculator makuha na natong answer nga 2144.66 inch cube ang volume niya sa surface ay pagkuha sa volume sa sphere. So next kay zone. Zone is that a portion of the surface of a sphere included between two parallel planes. So, ang formula para makuha ang area of zone is E equals 2 pi times the radius, mo ni siya, times the height, mo ni height. And next is spherical segment. The spherical segment is a solid bounded by a zone and the planes of the zone base. So, mo ni siyang height o ang radius, enter, para makuha ang volume of spherical segment, V. So, V equals pi times the height, h squared over 3 times 3 times the radius minus h, the height. For example, what is the area in square meter of the zone of a spherical segment having a volume of 1417.265 cubic meter if the diameter of the sphere is 30 meter? So ato siya gidro. So diameter, para makuha ang radius, half of diameter is 15. So natay 15 ato radius. So wa man tay height, kuha na tong height, kini ito pangitaon kini height. Height. So the formula kay V pi h squared over 3 times radius minus h. Formula mo ni siya nga formula. So natay volume nga 1417.26 equals pi h squared over 3 times 3 times the radius, namtay radius nga 15 minus the height, namtay height. So ato lang ni siya i-multiply 3 times 15 is equal to 45 minus h is equal to 45h. So ato siya i-multiply ani sa pi h squared. So ang result niya kay, pag human natong multiply, ato siya divide og 3. So ang result kay 47.1 h squared. So by using, so ato lang gyapon kapihan ang values sa volume by using calculator, shift solve para makuha ang 6 meter sa height guys. 1417.265 o 47.1 squared. So shift solve na nato, shift solve equals, so na siya 5.58 ang ato height. So ato lang convert para ma 6 meter. So nanatay height. So next kay para ang gipangita man kay the area of the square meter. So pagkuha sa area kay 2 pi r times the height. So nanamatay value sa radius ug sa height. So aton lang input tanan. So 2 pi times 15 times 6. So the area is 565.49 squared. So mo siya ang answer. So next kay spherical sector. Spherical sector is a solid generated by rotating a sector of a circle about an axis which passes through the center of the circle but which contains no points inside the sector. So the formula to get the volume of spherical sector, 1/3 times the area times the radius, or pwede sa din ng mga formula. So ang A kay area of the zone. So for example, the spherical sector is a cut from a sphere and the radius is 20 cm. Find its volume if its central angle is 60. So ato sa i-draw circle, ang central angle kay siya is 60 degree. So natay nga radius nga 20 cm from there nga point to this point, 20 cm the each total 20 cm. So to get the height of this h1 dire nga point og dire nga point og dire ato sa ikat ato tungaon para makuha na tong height 1 ato tungaon. So mo siyang forma. So kay ato man siya gitunga, so ang degree niya which is 60, 30 degree. So h1, so mo ni ato pangitaon, and the radius is 20. By using Pythagorean theorem, so cosine theta is equal to h1 over the radius. So namtay ang theta nato is 30 degree. So cosine 30 degree is equals to h1 over the radius. So cosine 30 degree equals to h1 over 20. So cross multiply 20 multiply sa cosine 30 degree. So 20 cosine 30 degree is equal to 17.32 cm. So nanatay h1. So ang sunod na sa tukwa ng h2 from there nga point to this point. So para makuha na siya, h total equals to h1 plus h2. So input na natong value sa h total nga 20, this kani. So ang h1 nato kay 17.32 plus h2. So transpose na nato. So ang h2 20 minus 17.32. So ang answer sa h2 kay 2.68 cm. And volume may gipangita. So mo na siyang formula sa volume na tumiton kani siya. So 2/3 times pi r squared h2. So ato lang gyapon input ang mga value. 2/3 times pi times 20 squared times the h2 is 2.68. So the volume is 2245.19 cubic centimeter. So spherical pyramid. A spherical pyramid is a pyramid formed by a portion of a surface of a sphere as base and whose element are the edges from the vertex of the base to the center of the sphere. So ano siya? So formula to get the volume of spherical pyramid. So pi r cube times the e over 540 or 1/3 base times height. So ang e kay spherical axis of polygon ABCD in degrees. For example, a pyramid has a base of 7 inch and the height of pyramid is 20 inch. Find the volume of pyramid. So ato draw ang pyramid. So nasa height nga 20 inch. So nasa area na 7 inch. 7 siya ang length ug ang width. So to get the volume of pyramid, 1/3 times base times height. So umtay base So ang base nato kay ato i-multiply ang kuan length og ang width. So mo sa x cube. So 1/3 times x cube times height. So 1/3 times 7 squared times 20, so equals to 1/3 times 49 times 20. So the volume of pyramid is 326.67 inch cube. So next is spherical wedge. Spherical wedge is a portion of a sphere bounded by two half great circle of an included arc. So mo kung siya. So the formula of spherical wedge is, para makuha ang volume of spherical wedge, kay pi r cube theta over 270 degree. So for example, the central angle, so mo ni siya, the central angle of a spherical wedge is 1 radian. Find its volume if its radius is 1 unit. So mo ni siya, so v equals pi r cube times theta over 270 degree. So pi natay reduce nga 1. So 1 rad times 180 degree over pi over 270 degree. So equals to 180 times 270 is equals to 2/3 cube units. So mo na ato volume 2/3 cube units. So ato siya input sa calculator, 2/3 or 0.67 cubic units.